Welcome back students, I am Himanshu and in this video we are going to take care of how to create a table in MS Word. In MS Word, when we are going to create a table, we need to go to Insert tab first of all and then go to Table option. Now there are various options to create a table. The first option, you are creating a simple table, and for this you have got this option here. You can see, if let's say I want 5 number column and 3 number rows, so I have 5 column and 3 rows. I made a selection and you can see that those table has been created also. If I will click on this, the table has been created. However, Ctrl Z, I don't want this. I'm going to insert once again. If I want any predefined table format, let's say for the sales purpose or maybe for the calendar purpose, you need to go to quick table where I went, and there you can see all the built-in advanced template. So here you can see first one were the calendars. 4 calendar templates has been given, then there is this double table and many other templates options. So let's say if I'm going for this tabular list, double click and the table has been created. However, I want to create a simple one, so I'm going to table once again, going for insert table, and let's say I want 4 columns and 5 rows, and click on OK, and the table has been created. Now in this particular table, if I want to do any entry, let's say the first one is going to be name, so I'm typing name, then age. So you can type simply by typing, and here you can do the formatting. Because it is within the box, then not only there is an alignment option of left, right or center, there is an option of, if you go to layout, then you will get to see this option of this align center option, top and bottom also. If I will increase the size of this, then you will get to understand center means this one. If I am going for this bottom option or top option. Okay, so these are the options that you may go for. If you want to format your table, then simply you may go to like text color in order to do the text color, or here you can see this shading option. So you need to select like this and go for shading option. Whatever color you want to give, you can. Don't go for the highlighter which is there, go for the shading option, that would be better. Okay, now the thing is, in the layout or design option, table related options are there. Layout, various kinds of options, where if you want to insert a row above or if you want to insert a row below. Let's say if I made a I've selected this particular table and insert below, then you can see a new row has been created. If you want to insert a new column, then you need to click on either left or right according to your requirement, whether you want to create a table in the left part or in the right part of the table, like this. Or another option is you can simply right click, or you may go for the insert, and then these are the options which are coming here as well. However, if you want to delete any particular row or column or one particular cell, then go for delete cell. If I'm going for, let's say, delete entire row, click on OK, and it has done its task. Apart from this, there are 2 important options. The first one is a draw table, another one is eraser. In order to make you understand, I'm going to delete whatever I've typed. Let's say the first row in this particular table, the topmost row in this table, I want to give it a title. So I don't want this divider. So what I'm going to do, click on eraser and click like this. These are going to be removed. So it is very simple. However, escape in order to get out of it, and then if you want to draw anything according to your requirement, then go for draw table and draw whatever you want to draw. Okay, the thing that you are going to draw, that pen color you can select from here, that pen width you can select from here, and the line type also you can do the selection from here. There are shortcuts of how you want to create your table. Let's say once you have created a simple table, which is this one, go to design and table styles, and there are many other table styles that you will get to see. Whatever option you want to select, you can do the selection of it. If you want to remove the table, then simply right click on this and you may go for delete table and it will be deleted. So this is how table need to be created. There are plenty other options in this insert tab and we are going to understand this in the further videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.